And there you can see on your left screen there that first stage re-entry burn has just begun. It's glowing pretty bright there.
Stage 2 continues to follow a nominal
So we're not getting a lot of sunlight, at least the engines are giving us a good view of that first stage. Now we actually don't need all 9 engines for this entry burn, so we are actually only using 3 engines. And that completes the first stage entry burn.
Stage 1 FTS is saved.
Now the first stage landing burn should be beginning in about 20 seconds here. It's a bit dark, so we might not be able to get a great view of the first stage landing, but we'll see what we can see there. And it looks like we got an infrared shot of stage 1 there. That's an awesome view. So we're not getting a lot of sunlight, at least we could see it with the infrared view. And there's that landing burn beginning. That looks awesome. Again, we are landing on our drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You. Looks like we're following the first stage all the way to the drone ship.
Terminal guidance.
Looks like we've got a good live view of this landing here. And we have touchdown of the first stage Falcon 9 vehicle on our drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You. That was an incredible view of that entire landing. That was awesome.